rotate because that's a little bit more fun. Rotated equals image skate dot rotate. So you're going to give it a number of degrees. To rotate it. And here's the interesting thing about rotation. The interesting thing about rotation is that it doesn't change the size of the image, and the image always has to be a square or rectangle shape. So you can't have an image that's the shape of a diamond. The computer doesn't work that way. It only understands rectangles. So it keeps the same shape, but what happens is you get black background showing through, and it cuts off the corners of the image, which is less than ideal. But there's a way to fix this, and that is by providing the expand equals true attribute. And instead of cutting off the corners, what it does is it actually makes the image large enough to incorporate the corners of the picture. You still have the black background showing through. But if I look at this and I say expand, is that capitalized? No, equals true. Then I'm going to get, it's this part of the picture is the same size that it was. The end result photograph is bigger because it has to be in order to accommodate the height and the width of the new photo. So you can rotate. And you can expand photos as well to accommodate that rotation.